नमस्ते बच्चों, मैं आपकी हिंदी की अध्यापिका हूँ। मेरा नाम जिबी है। So, from today onwards, I'll be taking Hindi for you. My name is Jibi. And whenever you come to the class, you have to sit with your notebook, pencil and eraser with you. Now, let's start this class with a small revision. You might be knowing that Hindi letters are known as Varnamala. That is Varnamala. As we have vowels and consonant in English alphabet, same way for Hindi also we have Swar and Vyanjan. Swar means the vowels, Vyanjan means the consonants. We'll do a small revision about the vowels, that is Swar. So, the first Swar, Pehla Swar. Pehla means first. First Swar of Hindi letters, that is Varnamala, is A. It has a short sound. Now, let's see how we write it. First, you have to write 3. Then, a small sleeping line and a standing line. And you have to draw this sleeping line on the top of A. So, you can see here that sleeping line doesn't touch the top part of 3. So, this is A. First Swar letter A. The words are Aase, Anar. So, here you can see we are using A sound. It is a short sound. Anar. Anar means pomegranate. Amrud, guava. So, here you can see we are using A sound which is very short. Amrud, Anar. Next Swar is A. It has a long sound. A. So, let's see how we write it. First, you have to draw 3 short sleeping line, long standing line, one more long standing line, and on the top you have to draw sleeping line. Every Hindi letters have this sleeping line on the top. Now, let's see word from this A. Aase, Alu. So, here we are using A. It's a long sound. Alu. Alu means potato. Aam. Aam means mango. Next vowel is E. So, here first you have to draw a short vertical line. Then you have to draw S. Then you have to draw this loop and it comes down. On the top, you have to draw this sleeping line. I hope you understood how to write it. Once again, I'll tell you. First, short straight line. Then S, a small loop and it should come down. And on the top, you have to draw this sleeping line. Don't forget to draw the sleeping line for all the Hindi letters. So, this is E. It has a short sound, E. E say Imli. So, here you can hear the short sound of E. Imli, E. Imli means tamarind. Next word is Idli. Idli. This is the next Swar, next vowel. First, we will draw a short line, then S, and it should come down. The difference between E and E is that of a small hook on the top. So, E was like this. There was no hook on the top, but E has a hook on the top and it has a longer sound, E. Now, let's see word with E. E say Eek. So it has a longer sound. Eek. Eek means sugar cane. Next one is Eid. Eid. Eid is a festival. Now next vowel is U. It's very simple. You have to just write the number 3 and on the top a sleeping line. Its sound is U. Short sound U. The word is Ullu. Ullu means owl. The next one is Uphar, gift. So here you can hear the short sound of U. Ullu, Uphar. Next vowel is Oo. It has a longer sound. Oo. The same way you have to write 3 and then a small hook. On the top, sleeping line. It has a long sound. Oo. Now let's see few words. Udbilav. Udbilav is an animal. Its name is otter. Next one is oon. That means wool. You can see here we are using, in English we use 2 O. So it has a longer sound. Oon. Udbilav. The next vowel is Re. Now let's see how to write this one. First standing line, then a small slant line, down also small slant line, short sleeping line. It should go up and come down and inverted S. Sorry, inverted C. And on the top, you have to draw a short line. So, once again I will tell you. First, draw straight line, a line, slanting line on the top, slanting line at the bottom, a short sleeping line. It should go up and then an inverted C, and on the top sleeping line. So, this is Re vowel. So, you have to practice this in your notebook. With practice only you will able to write these letters. Now, let us see few words with this Re. Re say Rishab. So, here you can see Rishab. Once again I will tell you how to write it. You can see this arrow. First a straight line, then on the top a slant line, down also, then a short sleeping line. It goes up, then down and an inverted C. And on the top there is a sleeping line. So, you have to practice this in your notebook. So, the first word is Rishi. Rishi means sage. Second one is Rituve. So, here you can see the sound Ri. Rituve. Rituve means seasons. The next vowel is A. Now, let us see how to write this A. First standing line, then a small slant line, then here one more standing line and a short slant line, and on the top a sleeping line. Once again I will show you. Short standing line, a slant line, then here short standing line and a slant line touching here. There are two ways to write A. One, you can see here, this slant line is not touching here. This is also correct and this format is also correct. So, once again I will tell you. Short standing line, slant line, short standing line and a slant line touching here. On the top, sleeping line. Now, let us see few words. First one is AD. AD means heel. Next one is ache. 1. So, here you can see short sound A, ache. AD, heel. Now, the next vowel is I. Let us see how to write the same way. Short line, a slanting line, Then here a short standing line and a slanting line touching here, sleeping line. The only difference is a string type structure here on the top. You can write like this also, or you can make this hook type. Both are same. So once again I'll tell you: standing line, slanting line, short standing line, slant line touching here, sleeping line and a string type on the top. The words are ainak, spectacle, elan, announcement. Now let's see the next vowel. It is O. O. The same way we wrote A. A. Then one standing line, sleeping line, and on the top a string type structure on the top. Remember that it touches this standing line here. Once again, A. Then a standing line and a string here. The words are Oakley, Oakley. So here you can see Oakley, O, mortar, Ordney, O, Ordney, stall. Now the next vowel is Ow, Ow. Same way, A. Remember we wrote O like this, no? Now here one more string will come. There are two strings here. That is the only difference between O and Ow. Now let's see few words. Aurat, woman. Auzar, that means tools. So here Aurat, Auzar. Next vowel is Ang. A. And here on the top a small dot. This is Ang. Ang se Angur, grapes. Next vowel is Ah. Two dots here on the right side. Ah. Now the word is Prata, Nama. So these are the words. You have to practice these words at home. You have to say at least 2 to 3 times these words, and also you have to write it in your notebook. Then only you will get idea to how to write it. So there's an activity for you. You have to read these swar letters, that is the vowels. A, from A to A, and you have to record it and submit it in Microsoft Teams. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Dhanyavad.